Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to color objects in the Hierarchy tab in Unity. When there are too many objects, the Hierarchy tab can look a little confusing. That's why coloring can be of great use to us. For this, copy the codes in the GitHub link I have given and paste them into a new script. You can find this link in the description. Now, if we look at our code, we can color the object we want to color by writing if object name equals this in the handle hierarchy window item on GUI method. Here is one example. Now let's do one for the main camera. Let's make the background color red and text white. And as you can see, the main camera is now red. Let's try another example. Now let's color our terrain object. I made the background color blue and the text white. As you can see, now I can easily distinguish objects. We can use switch case instead of if condition. Let's do a few as an example. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, also leave a comment. See you in the next video.